Surfing session 224. Today I'm using a drone to take aerial videos of a few waves from this surfing session. It is amazing to see such a great perspective for me to analyze my surfing as I learn. This is more than 2.5 years of surfing so far. I went surfing in the small waves on a beach break. I wanted to practice using the drone so I can be ready to use the drone for larger waves. In this session I was working on proper positioning to catch unbroken waves, then popping up and immediately trying to do a beginner bottom turn and a top turn. These drone shots really helped me to see my movements and location on the wave and identify where I can improve. I'm working on positioning my board to catch the unbroken waves just before they crest and break. The drone perspective allows me to see the white triangles that breaking waves form in the ocean as they approach the shorelines. The best position is to be at the top of the white triangle and wait for the next set wave to hit. Paddling. For paddling, I'm trying to paddle with deeper arm strokes and take turns with my right and left arms, like swimming freestyle. However, my feet were not together as I would like them to be, and were instead at shoulder width. That may slow you down if your feet are dragging in the water, so I'd like to avoid doing that, and I'll try to improve by keeping my feet together more. Pop-up. I'm trying to make my pop-up quick and smooth. I practice on the yoga mat when I can. My goal is to pop up at the top of the wave and then ride down into a bottom turn. Stance. Once I'm standing on the board, I'm focusing on having a front-on stance. My front foot is in the center of the board and my rear foot is in the back. Both feet are about 45 degrees so that I can face forwards. My arms are up over the rails and I try to look to the left and right as I'm doing a bottom turn to go down the line and then carving into a top turn. From these video clips I can see that I would like to turn and get off balance more to get that rail in the water. I'll also try to move my back foot more as I create carves left and right. If your back foot is pushing certain sections of the tail, you can really get that rail into the water. Here are I'll also include some still shots from that day at the end of this video. I hope you like this video. This is part of my surfing progression videos on YouTube. I'm learning how to surf. It's been 2.5 years so far, and I'm also learning how to create content with this new drone. It's the DJI Mini 3 Pro. If you have any friendly tips on surfing or flying drones, please share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.